Eh, all right. Quickly, this machine, impact drilling machine, was just brought to us to fix it. It stopped working, so we're going to find out what's the problem and then we'll fix it. Okay. Now I've already detached these parts from it. Okay, like I've unscrewed it, and this is one of the brush sitting, and this is the other brush sitting. So in this case, let me carry out some quick tests. And so here is my multimeter. I'm going to set it at continuity parameter. Okay, I've set it at the continuity parameter. All right. So first of all, I'm going to test the power cord for continuity. Okay, so the power cord is okay. The two lines, are okay. So I think the problem here, I think I'm going to change the brush, suspecting the brush, because I see that the brush has been exhausted. So I'm going to change the brush. I mean the carbon brush. So I just had to cut this carbon brush because I don't have exact size. So I had to cut out this one from the bigger carbon brush. Right, so I'll grind it to the size of the brush sitting. Okay, so I have just finished grinding the brush, the carbon brush, to the size of the porosity, and you can see, all right, it's fitting in very well. So, excuse me. So, one of the spring was bad, so I just have to change the spring so that it can be able to be feeding the brush, the commutator very well.
Maybe someone she was close to. Irene and I are friends, but we have never been so close. There should be someone she was close to.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oga, me Adero dey drive with the company, so I dey hear you, sir. Well done. Okay. No wahala. I no dey shop. Adero dey go somewhere when they come so I just dey leave the place now before I finger my phone. Abeg come Monday evening come carry that stuff abeg. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ade?
Very good.
Ade.
I work.
Okay. Seven. I'm gonna show you this end. Go get ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
Go get ahead.
Yes.
Go get ahead.
To pull it now.
Yes.
But I want 5.
Yeah, your paper tape don't finish.
That chair out of sun. me just carry out a quick check with my multimeter. Okay, so alright, the machine is ready, so I'll just use this multimeter to run the test to be sure that it is working. So what I'm going to do now is continuity test. So I'm sure you're going to see from that place. So I'll just on the switch and then you observe it from the multimeter. Now please come and hold this for me. So just show them. Okay, I'm sure you see from there. Can you see from there? Okay, so alright, so now you can on it. You can on this.
Is on. This is on.
Okay,
This is off. Off. On.
okay. Oh, fine. So it's working very well. Thank you. Please, if you like this video, like you to subscribe to our channel, and so you can be able to get more videos whenever a new one is out.